Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you using Google Maps. Street View on phone now. Let's see how to use Street View on your phone. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android or iPhone. Search for the location you want to see. Once the location appears, zoom into the street you want to view and drop the red pin icon. Now, you'll see a small photo preview. Simply tap on that photo. You'll now enter Street View mode. Move your phone around or swipe your finger on the screen to look in all directions. To move forward, tap on the arrows on the road. When you're done, tap the back arrow to exit Street View. That's it! Using Google Maps Street View on computer, open any browser on your computer. Go to Google Maps. Once the page loads, type the name of the place or address you want to explore in the search bar and press Enter. Now, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a small yellow person icon, also called Pegman. Click and drag Pegman onto the map. When you move it around, the streets highlighted in blue support Street View. Drop Pegman on any blue road. Now you'll enter Street View mode. You can click and drag your mouse to look around. Use the arrows on the road to move forward or backward and explore the area just like you're walking there. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.